Okay, today we're going to be showing you how to make a paper harness. So you make a tiny, I messed up. A tiny strip here. That was a little bad, but yeah, like that. And keep going down, rub it every single one until you get all the way down. So it could be a hard one, so it hurts more. So you keep going down. Hopefully this comes out well. This is a long one. See? Have it now. You take it and bend it like this. And you could to see how hard it is. And then you take the rubber band, put it around like this. Now, I'm going to show you again. Yeah, and that's how you make a paper harness.